This is Ollie from Delta UK, and here with me today is the Hill Audio IMM-2320V2B Media Preamp and Mixer. Much like its smaller brother, the DMP-230, it has a whole host of media options, but this does have the addition of some inputs such as microphones and RCA. So let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. This fully featured unit combines a 3-input stereo mixer and 2 microphone inputs plus an internal media player. The IMM-2320V2B only occupies 1 unit of rack space thanks to its extra small footprint, making installation into a flight case or racking system require minimal effort. The unit weighs just over 2 kilograms, so it can easily play a vital part in life on the road with a band or DJ. In this video, I'm going to split the front of this unit into 3 parts, starting first with the microphone and media input section. Here on the left you will find 2 microphone controls with 1/4-inch jack inputs located on the rear. A microphone on-air switch allows the user to quickly and easily disable one or both of the microphone outputs with an LED indicator to show which one has been disabled. And finally, a communal 2-band voice-specific equalizer and an adjustable talkover dial allows for extended control over the audio output. To the right, we move on to the media control section. Each channel has its own independent volume control for ease of use and means multiple sources can be used simultaneously. In addition to this, each media channel has the ability to activate a PFL status for simple monitoring purposes. Channel 1 is home to a 3.5mm TRS jack input for easy hookup of most modern devices such as mobile phones, laptops and tablets. If required, the option to hardwire in a media source is possible with the RCA inputs located on the rear side. Channel 2 is strictly used for hardwired media sources, and as Channel 1, these are connected via the RCA inputs found on the rear side. The final media channel is used for volume control of either the Bluetooth connection or the built-in media player. Much like the smaller DMP-230, the media player offers a wealth of features and playback options, including a USB input, FM radio module and the unique jingle player. A clear display shows the MP3 file names and RDS station information, and simple transport controls make the whole process exceptionally intuitive. Finally, the main output section is where you will find the master volume controls, 2-band equalizer and headphone output. Moving on to the rear, we're faced with a clear presentation of all audio inputs and outputs. Starting on the right hand side, we can see our FM and Bluetooth aerial connections. Next, we have our 1/4-inch jack microphone inputs and Channel 1 and Channel 2 RCA source inputs. You will notice that both Channel 1 and Channel 2 have a gain control allowing for easy maximum or minimum volume level settings to be made. We then have a record output, an unbalanced stereo output that carries the same signal as the main output, but not influenced by the main volume controls. We next move on to the master output section. Starting with main output 1, we have a balanced TRS 1/4-inch jack, an unbalanced RCA, and a Phoenix connection output to choose from. Note that all Phoenix connectors are supplied in the box with each unit. We're then able to set the maximum volume level for this output by the max level dial located next to the outputs. The talkover threshold allows the user to choose at what level the talkover feature is enabled. Main output 1 is also home to emergency features which are largely required by law in most audio installations. The main output 2 section is very similar to the first, however, a few extra features have been included. To begin with, we have a mono switch which allows the summation of the 2 stereo channels to 1 mono signal. Next, we have a 100 Hz high-pass filter switch. This can be very useful if the second output is feeding a system with limited low-frequency response, such as ceiling speakers. The tone control shifts the frequency response from a darker to brighter characteristic to help adapt to the connected speaker system. Finally, we have an installation feature of the IMM-2320V2, which is adjusted under the lid of the unit to remove the risk of tampering. This feature is the microphone emergency setting found here. If connected microphones are to stay live in an emergency situation, place the jumper to the on position, which is to the right, covering pins 2 and pins 3. If they are to be muted with all other signals, place the jumper to the off position, which is to the left and over pins 1 and pins 2. For more information on products from Hill Audio, please visit the website found in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.